All right, the CT122 had a bad it's broke. So we're gonna replace it. Comes off here, down, over, and up to here. So I just ended up getting a cheap one here from Walmart, so I can get splitting some wood. So let's get that on, get the protective covering on it. All right. All right, we got our cheap Walmart battery cable. So it goes down there. Comes out here. Keep it away from the exhaust. Comes over here and hooks in right there to the starter.